Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Today. Today in this video I will tell you top 10 health benefits of dried apricots. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. The apricot, also called Prunus Armeniaca, belongs to the Rosacea family. It is described as a small orange and yellow colored fruit that has a tangy flavor. Unfortunately, fresh ones are often fragile. Fresh apricots tend to bruise easily and will not be able to survive the journey once it is harvested. This is why some apricots are dried. The dried variety originates from a process that involves water evaporating from the fruit, but it is a mild process and will not affect the nutritional value of the apricot. It would just degrade the water-soluble and heat-sensitive vitamins of the fresh fruit. The other nutrients that it contains will be concentrated. Dried apricots are the same as fresh ones when it comes to nutrition. They still contain vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. They can also still help improve health and enhance skin condition. Health benefits of dried apricot. Number 1. Blood clotting. Vitamin K is a vitamin found in dried apricots that is useful for blood clotting. This vitamin helps stop excessive bleeding. Supplements are widely available, but nutritionists still encourage the use of natural source of vitamin K. Eating dried apricot at least once a day will help stock up this vitamin in the body. Number 2. Building muscles. The potassium contained by dried apricots helps in improving metabolism as well as the function of organs and tissues. This is important for normal body growth and muscle building, as well as the regulation of the acid level in the body. It is also useful for protein synthesis. Number 3. High blood pressure control. Potassium in dried apricots is 3 times more than the amount in bananas. It contains only a trace of salt, which helps keep the blood pressure down. It also protects the body against heart diseases. Number 4. Skin glow enhancement. The oil from dried apricot is useful for skin care. It helps make the skin smooth and glowing. It can be a good remedy for sore hairs as well. Number 5. Respiratory health improvement. Eating a few pieces of dried apricots can already result in positive effects on respiratory disorders. The dried variant acts as an expectorant. It also has a stimulating effects. With these qualities, dried apricots are a safe way of reducing stress and pressure from the respiratory tract. It helps prevent asthma attacks as well. Number 6. Hemoglobin production increases. The iron and copper in dried apricots produce hemoglobin that can help in its additional production. Adding the fruit into the diet of an anemic patient can help improve their condition. Still, it is wise to consult a doctor first to get proper treatment. Number 7. Good vision. Dried apricots contain vitamin A as well. It is the vitamin for good vision. The vitamin is also a powerful antioxidant, helping the body get rid of free radicals. It also helps maintain the health of cells and tissues. The dried fruit is considered ideal for healthy eyes since it contains zeaxanthin, an antioxidant essential for light filtering function. Number 8. Regular heartbeat. Another benefit of the potassium in dried apricot is its ability to regulate proper fluid balance. It helps in regulating heartbeat and maintain proper muscle function. Number 9. Benefits during pregnancy. Infertility, hemorrhage, and spasms are possible problems during pregnancy. This can be cured by eating dried apricots, which can also be used for curing vaginal infections. Dried apricots are considered a herbal medicine for pregnancy. They can be consumed moderately by lactating or pregnant mothers. They can serve as snack as well. Number 10. Digestive tract clearing. Dried apricots act as a mild laxative for the digestive tract. As a laxative, it helps flush out unwanted waste. Another benefit of dried apricot as a laxative is that it reacts to digestive juices. Its reaction produces an alkaline environment to clean the digestive tract. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.